Hey, welcome to our journey in faith. We're glad you're here today. We got some of our materials in. I thought I would do an unboxing for you. So we got our number one here is a box from Home Depot. See what we got here. Some plumbing supplies.
Only Scott would think it's Christmas time and gets plumbing supplies.
That's clean out tea. Alright, 2-inch, another clean out tee. Oh, wow. That's a big old hog. Yep, there's your, yep. Look at that. And, oh, we got a bunch of these nail strips here. Actually, that's all that's in there. So, that's box number one. I gotta go through an inventory of everything. We got box number two. I'm not gonna open it yet, but it's this is one of two paper towel dispenser. And then box number three. What do we got in here? Some more plumbing. Wow, bunch of plumbing. 3-inch plumbing. And then we got an ice maker outlet box that goes up in apartment A. And then we got some gas pipe tees, 3/4 inch, and I don't know what's in it. This is kind of a box inside of a box. Oh. I think we got enough sheetrock screws to do us for the next 10 years. So, 25 pounds and 1 5/8 inch drywall coarse screws. And then over here, I want to unbox these, but these are two big old mirrors that'll go in Kids City in the bathroom. So we got one for the male bathroom and the female bathroom. So that's that. So anyway, that's a couple of mini boxes we're going to be receiving for this project. So we'll do another unboxing later. But anyway, until next time, keep looking up, and Maranatha.